Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a recipe for homemade soy sauce fried noodles. First, prepare about 100 grams of pork and slice it thinly. After slicing, put it in a bowl and set aside. Next, prepare a handful of choi and cut it into small pieces. Once cut, place it on a plate and set aside. Prepare a fish cake and slice it thinly. Take 2 red chilies and cut them into rings. Take 4 cloves of garlic and mince them. After everything is chopped, place them on a plate and set aside. Then prepare 2 eggs. Finally, prepare a large pack of yellow noodles. Heat the wok and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the eggs first. Stir fry them evenly, breaking up the eggs as you go. When the eggs are set, take them out and set aside on a plate. Add a little more oil to the wok. Add the minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the sliced pork and stir fry evenly. Cook until the pork changes color. Next, add the fish cakes. Stir fry everything evenly. Add the yellow noodles. Stir fry evenly. Then add the eggs back in. Add 3 spoonfuls of authentic Master Soy Sauce and 2 spoonfuls of dark soy sauce. Then stir fry everything evenly. Using authentic Master's traditionally handcrafted premium soy sauce, the aroma is especially rich and the flavor is delicious. Noodles stir-fried with soy sauce brands like Shi2 taste exceptionally good. Finally, add the choi and chili peppers. Quickly stir-fry everything evenly and it's ready to serve. The fragrant and delicious homemade soy sauce stir-fried noodles are done. Noodles made this way are rich in flavor, soft in texture, uniquely tasty, and so delicious you can't stop eating. The method is simple and foolproof. If you like it, give it a try, and if you enjoy my videos, please follow me.